Serverless DevOps, easing development without servers. Serverless computing is a cloud-native model. It lets developers build and run apps without managing the underlying servers. Cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud manage servers. The role of serverless in DevOps. Continuous deployment simplified. Serverless platforms inherently support C/CD pipelines. New functions or updates can be deployed quickly, ensuring rapid delivery cycles. Auto-scaling capabilities. Serverless functions automatically scale with demand. This reduces the need for manual work or complex setups. Improved collaboration. Serverless reduces the complexity of infrastructure management. It lets developers and ops collaborate better to deliver business value. Resistance to change. Clients used to traditional contracts may resist flexible scope or iterative delivery. They may view agile contracts as vague or risky. Benefits of serverless DevOps. Simplified monitoring and logging. Serverless frameworks work with observability tools, like AWS CloudWatch or Google Cloud Logging. They provide insights into performance and errors. Better resource management. Pay-as-you-go pricing means costs match actual usage. It prevents over-provisioning or underutilizing resources. Challenges in serverless DevOps. Cold start latency. Serverless functions can lag if idle before being invoked. This can hurt performance-sensitive apps. Debugging complexity. Serverless functions are distributed and stateless. This can make debugging across multiple services tricky. Conclusion. In conclusion, serverless DevOps combines DevOps agility with serverless computing simplicity. It empowers teams to deliver apps faster, more reliably, and with lower costs.